Hi, how was your sleep last night? I hope you managed to sleep well and that there was minimal discomfort. It's actually better than you thought, right? So welcome to day 1 post-hair transplant. Now today is important because today is the day that you remove the bandage that's on your back. You have two options. You can come to us and we'll remove it for you, or you can do it yourself at home and we'll show you how. So step 1 of removal of bandage is you need to loosen the tape that's in front of you. After you have loosened the tape, then and only then you wet the bandage at the back. You may wet it with cold water or very mild warm water. This is to ensure comfort for you. After your bandage has been soaked, gently remove it. And now with the shampoo that we have provided for you, form some lather. You will notice the shampoo doesn't have much foam, but don't worry. Make some lather, make some bubbles, and apply and gently rub it at the back of your head. You may then rinse off and then towel dry. That's it. Very easy. You can even do it at home if you don't want to come here. But if you want to be well pampered, do come. We are very, very happy to receive you. Now, don't forget, you still need to continue with your daily medication in the box. And for your implanted areas, you still need to spray the saline for one more day. We'll see you on day 2 of your post-op.